Just Dance controller app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, let's make sure our Just Dance application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Just Dance. If you see update beside the app's name, tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings, scroll below until you see apps, and here search for Just Dance. For instance, if this is my Just Dance controller app, head over to your storage and clear the data. Before that, make sure that you remember your credentials, then tap on Delete. Come back, then tap on Force Stop, and tap on OK. Now see if this fixes your Just Dance controller app not working problem. If you are still facing that issue, then you have to uninstall that application and reinstall it again. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.